video will show you how to find space capacity information using 25 Live Pro scheduling software. The link to access 25 Live Pro can be found on the Pasadena City College Campus Use webpage. To find the Campus Use webpage, use the search function and type in the words Campus Use. From the Campus Use webpage, the 25 Live Pro link can be found at the bottom of the menu. Using your banner user and password, log into 25 Live Pro. The first page you will see is your 25 Live Pro dashboard. The dashboard quick search is an easy tool to use when you are familiar with the name or room number of the location you wish to search for. Type at least 2 characters of the room number or name into the search location field and click enter or the search icon to see your search result. Your search will result below. Alternatively, you may go directly from the dashboard to the search function by clicking on the Go to Search box. You may also access the search function from the drop-down list on the More menu. To begin a location search, you must first choose Location from the Select Object drop-down list. From here, there are many ways to filter and search for locations. For a quick search, if you know the room name or room number, you can simply type that information into the Search Locations field and click the blue search button. Your search list will result below. Again, if you do not know the exact name or room number, you will need to use at least 2 characters to create a search of all locations that will include that search parameter. You may use the drop-down menu to see any searches that you have previously saved and/or starred. There are also many predefined public searches that we have created for your convenience. Once you have found a location of your choice, from the list menu, you can hover over the location to see the details. You can also click on the location name, selecting the details view to see more information. For instructional spaces, default layouts have been created for student seating capacity at 100%. This number is usually the location's max capacity, plus 1 to account for the instructor. Please note that for social distancing purposes, additional layouts have been created for 25, 50, and 75% max capacities. If you have further questions or need additional assistance using 25 Live Pro, please contact the Campus Use office or email us at campususe@pasadena.edu. Thank you.